What if I told you that a crow can plan steps, use tools, and even solve problems that stump some adults? Today, we're going to test the claim that crows think like 7-year-old children and see what that really means. Crows and ravens belong to the corvid family, famous for their problem-solving skills. Researchers put them through a series of puzzle tasks: food trapped in a tube, a stick just out of reach, or a box that needs several steps to open. Let's break down 3 classic challenges to see what's really going on. First up, tool use.
Imagine
Sitting inside a narrow tube. A crow has to pick the right stick and use it as an extension of its beak to get the treat. Some species, like the New Caledonian crow, even shape twigs, bending or trimming them to make a better fit. That's not random pecking. It's selecting and modifying an object to achieve a specific goal. They're actively thinking. Select, modify, use. Second, let's talk about causal reasoning. In the famous water level task, a tasty snack floats just out of reach in a container of water. Heavy stones will raise the water level, but light objects won't. Many crows quickly learn to drop the heavier items, watch the water rise, and then grab their reward. They aren't doing complex math, but they are adjusting their behavior based on a clear understanding of cause and effect. And third, the most complex challenge: multi-step puzzles. Picture this. The long stick needed to get the food is locked away. To free it, the crow must first use a short tool to pull out a key. Then use that key to flip a latch, and only then can it use the long stick to finally get the food. Success here means holding the final goal in mind throughout the entire process, remembering the correct order of operations, and being flexible enough to switch strategies if one step fails. So, do crows really equal a 7-year-old child? Well, not exactly. That comparison comes from specific test performances. Like tool choice or planning where crows can reach levels similar to young children. But children far outperform birds in areas like language, complex social learning, and abstract thinking. The fair takeaway is this: crows show incredible, flexible intelligence in certain tasks. Not the same kind of general intelligence that humans have. In the wild and in our cities, that flexibility is a superpower that helps crows thrive. They explore new food sources, remember dangerous faces and safe places for years, and even share information with their flock. Its problem-solving ability makes them incredibly resilient. It's one of the main reasons. They live so comfortably alongside us and adapt so quickly when their environment changes. Now for 2 quick myth checks. 1. Crows aren't cheating when they solve these puzzles. They're learning from feedback, just like we do. Never bait or handle wild birds for a video. Always use licensed footage or observe them from a safe distance. We're here for science, not to cause stress for wildlife. So yes, crows can solve puzzles in surprisingly human-like ways, especially when tools and planning are involved. Their intelligence is a fantastic example of how different minds can evolve to overcome similar challenges. If you want more videos that separate animal behavior myths from reality, be sure to subscribe. And comment below which animal puzzle we should investigate next: hyenas, octopuses, or raccoons. Thanks for watching.